So, ano, hello. Welcome
Hi,
to
guys.
ating BL at CBTL. Okay na yan. Lamig na. As you can see, short hair.
Hindi niya kaya magsaklay.
Kaya ko magsuklay, hindi ko kaya magtali.
Kasi,
It's different. Oo.
this
So,
one is caramel cold brew.
anywho. Oo, masarap. Akin yan.
Thank you naman. Para sa malaking laway natin.
So anyway, ang ating storya today is Kimi wa mo kamenai. In particular. Ay, putang ina. Sorry, bleep. So you can't bite anymore. Kimi wa mo kamenai.
Oh.
You can't bite anymore. So, description. Liam Dawkins, Abeta.
Sabi pangalan ha?
Oo. Liam Dawkins, Abeta, has been switching his jobs from time to time. Ever since his parents passed away. Nothing unusual happens in his life until he was hired to look after Oliver William,
Bakit English and English?
an Omega with a broken bond. Liam soon finds out that the reason, the reason, nasasama pa tayo sa ka na magtanong ha.
Sorry, gusto ko clarify.
Liam soon finds out the reason he was hired for his job is to sexually embrace Oliver, who has been in Heat for a year and who apparently hides a dark and sad past.
Ayun nga yung akin dito.
Ito.
Ito.
So, isang volume lang to. But it has spin-off na pag-uusapan din namin after nito, after ng video na ito. So, and the title of that is Boku wa Mada Kamenai.
But for now, it's
Kimi wa mo Kamenai. Yes. Okay. So basically, ang story nga niyan, si Liam, nasa bar siya, tapos sinasabi, kinakwento niya yung kanyang buhay dun sa mga kasama niya sa bar na he got laid off and then sinunog niya yung apartment na titira niya dahil nagagalit siya sa landlord. Kapag ganun. So, wala siyang trabaho and wala siyang bahay. So, habang nagsasabi siya noon, dumating yung isang lalaki na sabi, why don't you come work for me? So, so yun nga. Ayan yung delivery sila.
So yun na nga, ano na nga.
So anyways, sabi niya, I'm looking for staff. Looking for someone. Pumayag siya kasi nga naman wala siyang family and all that.
Yeah.
So he doesn't have a house, he doesn't have a job. Yun yung trabaho din. Then, pagka dating niya doon sa areas, di sinundo siya niya, nung nag-employ sa kanya si Noah. So, pagdating nila doon sa bahay, it looks like a mansion. Pero sabi niya, you're not gonna work there, you're gonna work over on this side. So, doon sa
Actually, it's an apartment. O mansion as in mansion.
Mansion. This is in London.
Okay. Hindi ka na but English yung pangalan.
The setting niya is,
Foreign sila.
Oo. UK.
Pero, yung Japanese manga yan.
Japanese yung writer eh.
Dapat di ka usad dyan yun. Anyway.
Japanese yung writer eh. So, ang sabi, you're gonna work on this side kasi ang magsiste, ang trabaho mo is you have to look after my brother.
Look.
Oo, my older brother.
Okay.
So, binanggit yung tungkol doon kay Oliver na he's an Omega, he has a broken bond. He was nakatira siya sa somewhere in London before. Tapos bumalik siya na meron na siyang mark and it's been broken.
Okay, wait. I-clarify ko. Di ba pag sinabi broken, either reject ka nung partner mo or namatay?
Hindi.
So, hindi ganun case.
Ito, hindi, may other side broken. Medically removed.
Yung bond. Parang naghiwalay lang talaga sila?
Hindi.
Hindi rin? Oh, sige. Okay.
So, yung other side, pag medically broken, may tinatanggal na hormone. Nabanggit ko na yun before.
Hindi. Kaya nagtatanong ko sa case niya kung ano yung case.
So, yun, medically broken yung bond niya. Tapos,
nabanggit ko bakit?
Oo.
Okay.
So, nung kausap niya, pumasok ko sa loob ng bahay, sabi niya, so, yun lang yung sinabi sa akin, sinabi ng kapatid ko sa akin. Sabi niya.
Kasi I'm sure nilalamig ka na.
Oo. So, sabi niya, yeah, that's all that he said. And then, sabi niya, actually, I've been in heat for a year. But since my bond is broken, I cannot produce any pheromones. And I can't, even if I spread my legs, even if I'm extremely wet, I can't attract any other.
Kasi walang pera.
Oo. Any other males. Hindi, depende sa Kasi yung kanya, sabi niya, it seems like something went wrong. Kasi, parang mali daw yung pagkakatanggal. Kasi, he's been in heat for the whole year. Oo. Nilalabas sa pheromone. So, siya, parang, he's been restless, ganyan.
He's been broken, literally.
Oo. He's literally broken. So, tapos nun, your job is to be my sex partner.
Okay.
So, you just have to take care of me. Kasi nga, parang,
parang to relieve him.
Oo. Na-observe naman ito ni Liam na nanginginig itong si kuya mo. Tingnan pa brave face na
talagang siya withdrawal.
Oo. Kasi, non-stop yung heat niya. Walang pahinga. Kasi nga, may something wrong with him. So, ayun, siyempre may nangyari sa kanila. And then he said like, it seems like he accepts the job. Tapos, the following day yata.
Did he get? Diba, may nangyari sa kanila? Nawala ba yung heat?
Hindi agad-agad yun. Oo. So, and usually, pagka mga omega, yung heat nila nawawala lang talaga once the alpha comes in them.
So, hindi
inside. Hindi, yung sabi niya, you need to let it out in me so that I will come down. Pero syempre, since parang first time nila ganyan, hindi masyado. Pero the following day, he officially met the parents.
Parents nila?
Ni Oliver. And then, officially, boss niya. So, officially, he's been hired to be the sex partner. So, yun. Oo, mapera yung parents.
Okay.
Nung, sila, family of alphas, pero siya lang ang nag-iisang omega.
Pero kaya alaga.
No, parang, kasi nilagay siya sa outhouse, parang outhouse eh. Parang, out kasi natin. Tapos, ang masakit pa noon, naikwento niya na, he was in dormitory when he was younger. Tapos, ang unang hit niya, nagpunta siya ng London para bisitahin yung kapatid niya. Na-trigger yung hit ng kapatid niya, bunso. So, syempre ngayon, extremely guilty siya. Syempre na, wala. napigilan nung middle child, yung nagsundo sa kay Liam, si Noah. Napigilan ni Noah. So,
Yung punso.
oo, yung bunso. Iyak na iyak syempre yung bunso na syempre,
Hindi naman niya ginusto.
na-trigger yung hit ng, yung,
Kaso kahit pala kapamilya mo.
oo. Kaya, hindi naman sa lahat ng kaya lang kasi first hit, so na-trigger yung, 14 years old lang yung bata. So, na-trigger lang. Pero, hindi sa lahat ng,
Pagkakataon.
lahat ng Omegaverse world, gano'n ang epekto. Sa iba, pagka family, walang epekto.
Okay, so sa na yan.
Oo. So, tawag ito, okay na sila, they're living together, ganyan. Tapos medyo, syempre, nagkakamabutihan sila in a way.
Pero,
Tapos, na-realize ni Liam na na-fall na siya. Kasi, naman sila
kahit naman.
oo, na, yun nga lang talaga, yung circumstances niya.
This was really broken.
So, ngayon, syempre siya, sa isip-isip niya, hindi, one time lumabas siya, na naglalakad sila ni Sandra. Si Sandra is the dog, old dog. Sila yung Sandra. Oh. Habang naglalakad sila sa labas, nakita ni Liam, yung youngest.
Okay.
So parang, I know what your work here is. Na you're here to have sex with my brother. Sabi niya, you are allowed to do this because you're a beta. No matter what happens, you cannot have it.
Bakit ganun?
Kasi hindi siya alpha. You cannot mark him. You cannot be with him.
Hindi kasi ba't sinasabi ng brother yun?
So parang, hindi, iba yung dating kay Liam. Parang ang dating kay Liam na possessiveness, ganyan.
Pero,
so walang nabanggit.
hindi nabanggit yung reason.
Wala. So, pagbalik niya sa bahay na gano'n, medyo nairita siya na, sa isip-isip niya, irita siya sa fact na he has been hired because he's a beta.
Kasi hindi niya pwede.
And usually, betas cannot have babies with megas. Usually.
I see.
In some cases, minsan, it happens. In some cases, tas minsan, may alpha and beta, beta and omega, beta and,
Kasi normal yung abuse pa rin naman sila.
pero very, very, very rare ang chances ng omega na mabuntis with a beta. It is possible, but it's not.
Like, kung alpha yung
So, they have been having sex na frequently without condoms kasi nga, mas effective nung kay omega na mawala yung hit niya, mag-dissipate yung hit niya. So, then, yun nga, doon niya na-realize na na-fall na siya. And then, one time, since then, parang, diba? Medyo may asim-asim, but it's okay. Oo. Hindi, yung berry
Oh, well, true.
Masarap nga din yung crust. I usually don't like the crust. Pero
Usually ako nagkakain nun.
masarap. So, one time, lumabas siya, sabi niya na, pupunta siya sa city to buy some stuff. Tapos, pagdating niya sa pag-alis niya, may nagsasabi siya na, Yung mga friends niya na chika-chika sila ganyan. Tapos minsan lalaki na nagtanong, are you talking about this estate? Ganyan. Corkwell Estate? Ganyan something. And then,
Si ano to, no, Lian.
ha?
Yung lumabas, si Lian.
Oh, si Liam mo pa. Hindi naman kasi lumalabas si,
Okay,
si Oliver. Tapos, may lalaking nagtanong na, yung ganyan. Sabi, if you want, I can take you there, ganyan. Sabi ng lalaki, no, it's okay. I can find my own way, just point me in the right direction. Okay. Tapos, pagbalik niya sa bahay, parang nagalit ito si Oliver na, bakit ang tagal mo, blah, 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 blah. Tapos sabi niya na, when I woke up, you were gone. And I thought of what happened. I thought of what happened between us. I really liked it. And when I was thinking about it, I got horny. So, yun, may nangyari sa kanya. Something. One time, nagsabi siya ulit na, lalabas siya, anong gusto mo? Nagsabi niya, I want some, ay, sinabi niya, gusto niya, basta may, pastry.
Okay.
Something pastry. Cake yata, or something ganyan. Tapos, pag-alis niya, dumating, nagtanong. Eto na. Hello, my name is Adam. And I'm Oliver's alpha.
Siya, nag-break ng bag.
Hindi. Ang nag-break ng bag si Omega.
Wait. Si Oliver yung Omega.
Oh.
Siya ang nag-break ng bag.
Oh.
Why?
Eto na.
Okay.
So, I'm here to take my Omega. Sabi yung ganon. So
mated sila talaga. Like, mated
Mated
pair.
ka?
No, I mean, fated pair.
Hindi sila fated pair. Walang nabanggit ko, fated sila.
Game.
So, pag pagpunta niya kay Oliver, nandun si Sandra. Kahol si Sandra. Ganun si Sandra doon sa sa Oliver, sa Adam. And syempre, ito before pala niyan, medyo nagkagalit si Oliver at si Liam dahil ang suot na oversized jacket at saka yung color na suot niya, bigay pa rin nung ex. Nung alpha niya. So, ito naman sabi, is it, parang pagkakasabi ni Oliver na, is it my fault that I can't let him go? Sabi ni Liam, yes, it is. It's your fault. You should let it go and ganyan something. Pero that night, nung nagkaayos sila, hindi na suot ni Oliver yung choker.
Okay.
At saka, ang sinuot niyang shirt, yung shirt na ni
Okay.
So, parang, that night, nag-let go na si Yan. So, yun. Ngayon, nung dumating yung Adam, sabi niya na, I can't resist my alpha pheromone. Kasi nga, yung katawan niya, dahil nga mali yung pagkaka-break ng bond, nagre-react pa rin sa pheromone ni alpha, ni Adam. So, ngayon, sabi niya na, I'm not going with you, ganyan. Tapos, ang sabi ngayon ni no, it's okay, I'll take care of you. And then, sabi niya, what happened with our son? Meron siya kasing, surgery scars dito si Oliver. Okay. So, yun pala, premature siyang manganganak dapat. So, sinubukang iligtas ng mga doktor, but then, it was still born.
Kaya,
so, ang kaya sila naghiwalay, kinailangan pakasalan ni Adam yung Omega na sinabi ng tatay niya para mamana yung pharmaceutical. He's the heir of a huge pharmaceutical company.
mayaman din naman sila.
Syempre alam mo naman yung mga mayayaman na kapag may gusto sila na ito ang partner, for business purposes din.
Akala niyo. So, hindi naman sila nag-iwalay because siya mahal niya.
Hindi. Pero sinabi na parang dahil dun sa pagsisigawan nila, na sinabi niya na, I didn't mean to say that I didn't want to be your mate. So, kinagat siya, pero in real, ayaw talaga sa kanya na makasama sa habang buhay.
Okay, ang weird. Anyway.
Kasi, bago sila maghiwalay, buntis na siya eh. Alam nung lalaki na buntis siya eh. Alam nung Arab na buntis siya. So dahil siguro sa pera, hiniwalayan siya.
So, medically, nagpa-remove Oliver because of that.
Oo.
Okay.
Tapos yung hindi nabuhay yung anak. Tapos ang sabi nga nito ni Adam, something's wrong with your pheromones. It's very faint and you're not getting wet. So,
Kasi
sabi niya, sabi niya, are you pregnant?
Ay, patay.
Sabi niya ganun. But don't worry. We'll get rid of that child and I'll give you as many babies as you. Hindi. Sabi niya, no, I don't want to be with you. Tapos, ito,
Kasi sinabi sa kanila, kasi hindi ma-control.
wala pa.
Paano mo sabi hindi nagiging wet?
Kasi, wala siyang pants eh.
Kasi naka-t-shirt lang.
Oo, naka-t-shirt na siya. Yung, di ba nga sabi ko sa'yo, naka-oversized shirt na siya. Inangat na gano'n nung so, hindi siya makapala. Tapos sabi niya, may kinuhang bote. Kasi, ang lakas mag-inom nito ng alak. May kinuhang bote ng alak. Ganun pa, sabi niya, don't worry, I'll get rid of that child for you. Pinoprotektahan na gano'n ni
So, alam niya na buntis siya pala?
Hindi niya alam. Hindi siya sure. Sabi niya, instinct lang yung pag-protect niya. Kasi nga sinabi ng lalaki na nagdan siya eh. Kasi usually, sa Omega Verse, alam ng mga alphas kung sino ang buntis.
Parang nakakamoy nila.
Nararamdaman sa pheromones.
Okay.
So, ganun yung system, ganun yung kalakaran.
Okay.
So, ngayon, pagdating niya ni Liam, galing sa pagbili ng pastry, sinabi ni Noah na, where have you been? Ganyan-ganyan. So, parang I went to the city, blah, blah, blah. So, maya, dumating si Sandra, kumakahol. Oo, nagpanik na siya. Nag-overthink siya na andyan yung, sinabi kasi ni Noah na, andyan yung alpha ni sabi ko, he'll take him away, ganyan-ganyan.
So, yung Noah, okay doon sa...
Oo. Ang tanong pa nga ni Noah na, what do you feel about him? Ganyan-ganyan.
Sabi kasi, di ba, parang outcast siya ng family. Pero kay
Oo,
Noah,
hindi kasi. Lang naman yung issue eh. Yung parents lang yung issue. So
malamang yung bunso overprotective lang din. Kaya siya niya sinabi yun. Oh, we're gonna get there.
We're going to get there.
Okay.
Sa next story yan. Story ng bunso.
Okay. So,
Sa-
susunod na chapter yun.
Yes.
Siya yung
Susunod na
spin-off.
Siya yung spin-off.
Yes.
Hindi siya extremely related. Pero,
Yung kapatid kasi, so spin-off.
hindi. Mababanggit pa rin naman yung backstory.
Okay. So, yun. Anyways.
Di, takbo siyang gano'n. Tapos, pagdating niyang gano'n, yung bote, nakita niya na ang dami ng pasa dito ni Oliver. Tapos yung bote, hahampasin niya ulit gano'n si
Kasi nahampas
Oo,
na. Sa bahay.
sa bahay na. Di, sinuntok ni Liam, yung si Adam, to get off Oliver. Ganyan. Tapos sabi, you're not going to take him over, not even over my dead body. Hindi lang siya over my dead, not even over my dead body, ganyan. Okay. Tapos, pati yung gano'n ni Adam, nag-mutter-mutter kay mutter-mutter. Nakalagay yung mutter-mutter. Parang bumubulong-bulong pa. Sabi niya, that the chairman said that I will not inherit the pharmaceutical company if I don't give him heirs. But that stupid woman, that stupid Omega, will not get pregnant what's the use of hiring a very expensive doctor if she cannot get pregnant?
So yung ipinakasal sa kanya,
Hindi ba buntis?
siguro kaya pilit yung babae, no?
Oo.
Isip nila mas
Hindi, at saka isip ko nga talaga na related sa kumpanya yung ano. Ngayon, so since naisip niya na may anak siya kay Oliver, hindi na balikan niya si Oliver.
kasi mas nakay ko sa pilit.
Oo.
Kasi nakakabugis siya.
Oo. Diba, nakagigil siya. Pero sabi niya, sabi na, you need to step away from Oliver. I need to take him with me. Tapos sabi niya, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. Ganyan. It's just that we need to get rid of your baby so that you can have mine. Ganun. Tapos naglabas ng ba, sabi nga ni Oliver, I told you I will not go with you, ganyan. Sabi ni Adam, naglabas ng baril. Sabi niya, I really don't want to do this. But galit na galit lumapit si Liam, sabi niya gano'n. I told you I will not give him to you, not even over my dead body. Pag gano'n yung gano'n, inulo niya. Hindi nahilo si kuya mo, tapos dumating si Noah. Kasi yun na yung ending.
Yun yung ending?
Hindi.
Mumura na sana ako eh. Oh.
Hindi niyo nakita yung mukha niya.
Tapos.
Yung ending, na.
So, nung dumating si Noah, ano nangyari?
Kinuha na yung lalaki.
Parang
Tapos call the police. Oh. Yung ending, parang extra na to eh. Hindi pala extra. Ending na chapter 6, last chapter. They were packing. They're gonna go. They're gonna leave.
okay.
So kasi nung before that, sa isip-isip na ni Liam na I want to get away with him very far away. We're gonna
Yun na.
oo, alis na sila, they're gonna live on their own, they're gonna whatever.
Somewhere.
So, yung end ng chapter 6, they were packing. So, it's sad.
They're packing.
They were so they were packing. And then, kailangan nilang iwan si Sandra,
Diba?
unfortunately.
Kapag naka-ribbon ka, parang virgin talaga.
Kailangan nilang iwan si Sandra, unfortunately. Sandra's old, 80 years old in human years.
So, mga what?
11.
Hindi na pwede sama?
Hindi na, kasi for old dogs, moving away like that, lalo na magta-train pa sila. Mahirap. At saka sa pamilya, kay Noah. Unfortunately, itong setting pala na ito, hindi siya modern times.
Oh, really?
Train pa sila magta-travel.
Uy, ano? Yung kotse.
Kotse yung yung old style.
Volkswagen na luma.
Yung mga gano'n. Mga karatugdugdugdugdug gano'n. So yun, hindi na kayo pwedeng isama kasi nga naman, stress yung aso. So,
Buti okay sa sana kay Noah.
oo, nagano nga eh. Pamilya naman sila even before eh. So, pagdating nila sa trend, nagsabi si Liam na, did I ever tell you that my mother was a male omega?
Ang nanay niya.
Oo. The male omega. And sabi niya, oh no, you didn't. And what about your father? Actually, my dad was a beta.
So may president.
Yes. So, ganon. So, sabi niya, they were saying that it's very rare to have a baby, a beta, and an omega male to have a baby. But,
It was.
oo. So, sabi niya na, it seems like
in their genes.
we were more alike than what I thought. Kasi, they both fell in love with an omega. So, yun. Tapos, yung extra,
Oo.
ito.
Okay.
Mga friendly hug lang naman. So anyways, yung extra, may baby na sila. Yes. So, yun. Isa na yung extra. Pakita kay baby.
Define the norms.
Yes. And, yeah. So, yan. Baby. Ang cute mo baby nila.
Sinsi.
Ayan si Omega yung black.
Oh. Okay.
So, ano yan, may baby na sila, ganyan. So, sinabi daw ng doktor, kasi tinatry ko, hindi yan yung likod ko eh. Tinatry daw, sabi niya, nung nagpunta daw siya sa doktor last week. Sinabihan daw pala siya ng doktor na okay na siya mag-sex kasi after giving birth, 4 months yata, hindi siya pwede Georgia, whatever. So yun, they had sex that night. Sabi niya na nag-condom na sila kasi nga baka naman. Sabi niya, since we already have a child, why not try for more? Parang napagkakasabi niya.
Have more kids?
Oo, sabi niya.
Okay. Pero wala ng parents di ba Liam, sabi niya?
Oo, patay na. Unang namatay yung father niya, tapos sumunod yung mother. Sabi niya, don't tell me you want a second child already. Well, you got me pregnant once already. If we keep doing it as much as we were doing it back then we can probably make another one. I came from a pair of Beta and Omega. And lots of people say that conceiving a child isn't easy for a Beta and Omega pair. Well, should we make another one right now then? No, not right now. Mortgage, monthly expenses, blah, blah, blah.
Ano sila may trabaho?
At this time, not likely kasi Omega siya.
Okay, si Beta.
Si Beta, hindi binanggit, pero it seems like it kasi may binabayaran siyang mortgage eh. Kasi ito yung bahay niya, yung outhouse niya.
Yung bago nilang bahay.
Hindi, yung outhouse niya.
Yung dinitry niya.
Oo, bed lang, tapos TV maliit. Ganyan, tapos ito yung
Survive.
oo, especially me. But yes, so why I liked it? Uncommon.
Well, true.
Uncommon siya.
Pero last time na binasa ko, Beta and Omega din yun eh.
Ano yun?
Yung hindi siya naniniwala sa faith. Diba? Yung Omega na yung isa. Yung friend. Tayong name. Kamalalim like birthday si Telex yata yun. Basta yung isa na.
No, yung City Lights birthday. City Lights birthday yata.
Yun yun, di ba? Yung
Hindi.
isa Beta, yung isa Omega. Tapos nag-iipon siya para mag-investing.
Oo. They both believe in faith. Sabi niya nga, it exists kasi nga.
Hindi. Na siya, wala siyang fated pair ba?
Eh, kasi Beta siya.
Yun na nga.
Eh, hindi naman fated pair din sila.
Ang point ko, hindi naman fated pair yan eh.
Oo, yun nga. Pero yung kinagandahan daw nito na kasi, tawag dito, ang ending is Beta and Omega. Not,
It's not really rare.
no, well, it is rare. Compared mo sa lahat ng nabasa ko, pangalawa pa lang to. Oh. Imagine. So, sa dami na ng nabasa ko, if you think about it, it's quite rare. Okay. So,
Pero yung drawing niya, typical manga.
oo, typical manga. Kasi nga, manga yung Japanese talaga
Typical
yung
manga
artist.
siya. Pero,
Yung setting na talaga is UK.
foreign country.
Oo.
Foreign. Pero,
Ito
foreign
nga,
yung name sila, pero mukha naman silang hapon.
ito nga sabi ng it covers a different aspect of Omegaverse, where the bonding doesn't end up being the ending, but the painful beginning of the Omega.
Alam mo,
Kaya mo siya,
hayaan mo siya, mamaya.
for the
sa kanya.
Omega who gets abandoned.
no.
Narinig mo yung binasa ko?
Oo, the Omega who gets abandoned. Oo.
Ano yung sabi ko before that?
Sorban is Omega. Siyempre, hindi ko tatanda
So,
lahat.
It covers the different aspects of Omegaverse where the bonding, makinig ka kang daldal ka ng daldal eh.
Nasinig ko nga.
Where the bonding doesn't end up being the beginning, but the painful, being the ending, but the painful beginning for the Omega kids at Andal. So it's really nice. Saka sweet sila sa isa't isa. I like it.
Okay.
So yes. So that is all for our beer.
Patay mo na yung lamok eh.
Pero napatay na. Delayed. Yes.
Sorry pa nakating ba?
DL at CBTL. Bye.